How to change Bitmoji back to old style on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to change Bitmoji back to old style on Snapchat. So many Snapchat users want to switch their Bitmoji back to old classic style after recent updates, and here I'll explain what's possible and what's not with the closest alternatives you have with that. So here just an important upfront is that Snapchat does not officially allow reverting to the old Bitmoji style anymore, but you can still make it look closer. So here what you can do is just open the Snapchat app on your phone, and after that you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, then what you can do is just tap on your Bitmoji. And after that, once you see the interface like this, then what you can do is you can simply choose the change outfit option, or you can even change the avatar as well. And with that, you can also adjust the scene, and you can also reduce or remove 3D shadows and choose the simpler face shapes, and you can also avoid heavy makeup or detailed textures. And with that, this will help you to make your Bitmoji look closer to the old cartoon style. Or you can even go back, and if you really dislike the new look entirely, then what you can do is just go to the profile section, and from there you can just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in the settings section, then what you can do is just search for the Bitmoji option and tap on it, and after that you can just tap on unlink by Bitmoji, and after that your avatar will be removed from Snapchat. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.